This is my 2006 Suzuki DRZ400E. Won't start right now, but when I turn the gas on, it leaks out gas out of the overflow lines, which means a float bowl is stuck and the carburetor is just filling up with gas. So I'm going to be pulling the plastics off, taking the carburetor out, cleaning it, and putting in JD jetting needles and jets. Hopefully it'll run better. It's got an aftermarket carb and Yoshimura pipe. Bogs down when I snap the throttle as quick as I can, so hopefully that'll get rid of that issue. I just wired up this new headlight, 4x6 LED, and wired up my blinkers and tail light. So I got the carburetor out. Took a couple hours because I had to disassemble this regen box, which just pulls extra oil and gas into this box to make it burn cleaner, and then it sends it back through a tube and reburns it. Had to disconnect the two throttle cables. I got a rag stuffed in the intake port so nothing could get in there and ruin the engine. It's a rectifier. It could be that. Maybe something's off with the electrical current and not enough juice to start. But I jump started the battery and it seems to be charged, so I'll get back to you guys after I take the carburetor apart and clean it, and we'll see what's going on. So when you pull the throttle, it twists this, which moves this arm, and you can see that rod down there goes down. Well, that connects into here, into that rubber seal, which goes to this vacuum, and it's the fuel accelerator, and it has a rubber diaphragm in it, and as you can see, that's all dry rotted and cracked open, so that would be why it's not sucking fuel.